So this video will show you how to search for a word and replace it with another throughout a document. So I'm going to open my Word file and I'm going to get it to replace the word an, A-N, with the throughout this document. So under the Home tab, there's Find and Replace. I'm clicking on the Replace option and I can search for what? I'm searching for the word an, A-N, and I'm replacing it with the, T-H-E. You must make sure you click on More options and make sure it's matching case and it's going to find whole words only. This one's really important because otherwise it'll find an in the middle of a word and put in the letters THE, and then it'll make no sense. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace these one at a time so we can see this happening. So I click Replace. So it comes to the first an, and I'll say Replace, and it jumps to the next an. And I can say Replace, and an again. Replace. I finish searching the document. Okay, and I can close. And just to point out, I saw it there a second ago, there's the word Annie, A-N-Y or A-N-D, and it didn't touch the A-N on those two words because I had whole word only selected.